Dollar Tree got their back to school supply stuff already out for the year 2026, y'all. They is not playing. Y'all better hurry up and go get it right now for they get sold out. I'm about to do a little walkthrough, show you guys what's new in my location, what I'm seeing in my era. So yeah, y'all do not want to miss my bonus footage too or some pretty shopping items. So watch this whole video out. I got you, y'all. Let's get it.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love.
Budget baddies, we back in the building at Dollar Tree, our first store ever. So I'm about to go ahead and do a little quick walkthrough, guys, and show you guys what they got for the school year, back to school supplies for 2026. That's right, y'all, back to school. So let's go ahead and start with the pens first. Now I do apologize before I start this video. This Dollar Tree right here is kind of on the loud side today, cause right now it's loud, okay, y'all? So y'all bear with me. Let's get right to it. We got these pens right here. It's a stylo pen. Got a little puff to the top. All right. They got the red and blue one as well. And they got some other colors too. Paper clips. I don't know, but for some reason I keep seeing like game everywhere. Game stuff. Is it just me or what? But they got some games. Paper clips, which is so aesthetic, guys. So aesthetic. I like that too. And what if they have some more stylo pens as well? Oh, look at the paper clips as well. This is gummy bears too. The gummy bear kind. But the game one, a little way better, guys. I'm loving the game kind. I love that. All right, y'all, coming over here to the side. I told you loud, y'all. I told you loud. I told you guys. I don't know why I came in a rush hour. I do not know why I came. I should have waited and came like tomorrow in the rise up, but we're gonna go ahead and eat though. And they got some ID badges. I just show you guys. They were so cute for the book bags and whatnot. And everything is gang. I keep saying that, y'all. Everything is gang. Everything is Care Bears, gummy bears. Everything is those two things I see that's popping. And here y'all more game pens. See, I ain't lying. Game pens. If you got like a game party coming up for your kid, it needs to be dope for like a party bag. I feel like I got ideas. I really do got ideas, y'all. So yeah, Dollar Tree got like gummy bears and gang stuff on deck this year, baby. Oh. Yes. Oh my God. So gummy bear shopping, you get 2 for $125. So basically, I'm seeing gummy bears all over this year, and also the game theme this year. And you get another pair of sharpeners too as well. You got a cherry and a watermelon. So cute, so aesthetic. It's good for the teen, high schools, and all that. I'm surprised this shit they got like a lot of aesthetic stuff for the high schooler, cause usually they have like stuff for like elementary kids. But Dollar Tree said, look at here, we outside today. They got some game over clipboards with some game over gummy bears. Very cute, y'all. Very cute. Okay, I like it a lot. Also got some pencil pouches that say I want candy with gummy bears and gummy worms. They just doing gummy bears all up this shit. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it because I keep seeing it. Like I keep seeing it everywhere. So up to the top right here, they got some zippers, mesh bags. These are huge, guys. These are so big. They want $125 for this. Okay, this is big. I like this. You can put your makeup in here. I mean, you could put like other stuff up in here besides pencils and pens. Now you could put makeup, like I just said. Yo, man, listen here. I might go ahead and give me one of these for myself. Yeah, it's very huge, guys. Very huge. So notebook too. Ooh, look at this one. It say best friend, and does it feel like it got like a little feeling to it? Little notebook, right quick. So aesthetic. So aesthetic, y'all. Okay, another one too. Binder pouch right here, $125. Look at this one right here, y'all. Pencil pouches. You get Disney kind. You got Mickey Mouse, I believe, Lilo and Stitch, Spider-Man one. Let me show you guys right quick. Okay, and you put in your binder too, guys. That's how I look for the kiddos. Just like that. All right. This right here is a legal pad. I'm not sure what legal pad is, but all I know is just a legal pad. That's $125. So all the school supplies, I believe, is starting at $125, guys. Okay. This is a calendar inside of plastic portfolio, so it won't get messed up and get wet up. You got your dividers and all that stuff, the traditional items. You got your paper, 200 sheets for also $125. You can go to Walmart and get this same sheet for like $1, y'all. So for certain things, Dollar Tree, I feel like it's not worth it. Like this right quick, you can find this at Walmart. Trust me, I know. And they got some composition notebooks also as well, the traditional colors and things like that. Honestly, I'm not really seeing a lot of new things as I did before, but I do see one more new thing too as well. This right here is new. This is a binder and it's clear. Oh, look at this right quick, y'all. It said Mickey Mouse. It's a 100 Disney. I like how it look. But what is Tiana? Why Tiana can never be around? So they got this one right here. This is so cute. They got Harry Potter kind. Who else they have, guys? Let's go ahead and see. Oh, they got Spider-Man one. Spider-Man one. Lilo and Stitch one. This is nice. $125, y'all. $125. Some more portfolio too by Disney. Disney is showing out. Disney is everywhere this year. They got Pony, Spider-Man, all that good stuff, guys. All that good stuff. Oh, let's take a look at these right quick, y'all. Some mesh zipper pencil pouch. They got some pencil pouches, y'all, mesh kind. It's very on the small side, though. I'm not really feeling those. I'm not feeling those. Some more mesh ones. Mesh, y'all. Mesh, my bad. These were there last year, too. I remember these came out. These went viral. I got a yellow kind. I still haven't used it yet. Like a Crayola pencil case. Crayon shopping and all that stuff. Crayon shopping. No, crayon shaped pencil pouch, guys. I apologize. Again, guys, all this school supplies right now is $125. $125. And they have some book bags too. They got strawberry shortcake. They got Bluey. The book bags, I'm not sure how much it is, but I believe they probably $5. Oh, they got the Minecraft book bag. My daughter will love it. They got the Minecraft book bag. Oh, they got two kinds. My daughter, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little fun fact. She's into Minecraft right now. When I tell you Minecraft, she's in her Minecraft bag right now. So I'm gonna get her that Minecraft. I'm not sure which color, but I feel like, I don't know, y'all. Which one y'all think I should get her? But yeah, they got Spider-Man. They got Paw Patrol. Nobody check for them no more. They played out. They got the other cheap kind. I don't really like that. Go ahead and get her this Minecraft book bag, y'all. We're going to go ahead and get this Minecraft book bag, y'all. I'm not sure how much it is, but we're going to go ahead and get it anyways. And all that, erasers and things. So, do they have any new highlighters? Let's go ahead and take a look at. So, those right there is kind of cute too, guys. Again, school supply section is $125. Nothing less, nothing more. These pens too, I remember those was a penny also as well, but the smaller kind. They got pencil boxes for you. Alright. Oh, these are new. The little baskets. These is cute. Let me see how they looking. Oh, this is nice. I like this for your little desk and things like that. And you also do a DIY with it too for your makeup and all that there. Listen here, I'm telling you, honey, this is nice. I like this. Check that out, guys. Alright, look at this. What is this, y'all? Oh, construction worker sketchbook for the kiddos to do. They got some eraser, 3D kind. The basketballs, soccer, the donuts and things like that. You got your highlighters up there, your markers up there. So when it comes to school supplies, they're not really doing too much. I feel like, you know, they're not really showing out. They got the basic stuff, that's all. The pencil cases and all that. These are dope. Like, I like this. The big old huge jumbo clips. I got ideas for that, y'all. I got ideas for that. These also is new too. These was not here last year. My first time seeing them in Dollar Tree. I remember in high school with these on. On my locker, oh my God. These are dope though. I like them. And they come with a coat already, of course. Dollar Tree school supplies not only about pencils and papers and notebooks and folders. It also got to do a lunch bag too and lunch containers. So as you guys can see, Dollar Tree always come out with different things for their lunch material. You got the plastic holders, things like that for the sandwiches, for your snacks, for the juice, for the water bottles, and all that good stuff. This is a checkerboard pattern, okay, guys? They got a little soup cup too as well. All this also, I believe, is $125. Dollar Tree was you could not go wrong with it at all. When I tell you I'm here for it, baby, sign me up all day. Here you have some storage containers. Oh, these newer. This a new one. I never saw this one. This is huge. I wonder how much this one is. This probably, I don't know. If it's $150 though, that's a good price. At $125, that's a good price. Got some other containers too. Look at those, guys. Oh, let's take a look at these. It's nice. It's like a what, back to school student frame. You can put your name, the year, the grade. I like this for my daughter. I like the rainbow stuff. I don't like the rainbow stuff. This right here is a floor marker feet. You put it in the classroom, kids step on it be like, line start here, guys, line start here. They got hands, feet, you name it. They also have some other ones too. It's for the floor decal. Say I am love. They got one that say start here, numbers, and also some arrows too. She always had a container for the kiddos too as well, for the organizers. They got some pale colors, some green ones, some white ones, containers and whatnot. And it comes home with the lid too. The garbage cans right here, the lid too as well. They got a caddy, $150. Okay, yep. Also some other things, and they getting ready for fall too. They get ready for fall as well. They have not stacked it up yet in my area, but I will keep you guys posted on the fall stuff. But they do got a little bit of fall things going on. These right here, they say these are due to the Apple headsets, the wireless. Not Apple, but I'm sorry, is it Apple? Something like that. I forgot what it is, but yeah, they say it's a dupe. I had a pink one too. I like them. I'm gonna get the pink ones. I'm gonna get the black ones. Can't go wrong with black. Cannot go wrong with black. Here we is, y'all. Little fall item going on today. They don't have that much right now stacked out. They getting ready for a little by little. And they got some refits too right quick. Y'all have your refits for the fall. The sunflower and all that there. They got some LED leaf lights. You get 20. Come with 2-way battery. Yeah. They moving in slowly but surely, y'all. Oh, this looks so cozy. This plush straw, the fall vibe. It's very soft too. You got a table centerpiece right here. You guys can go ahead and grab that. Got some tablecloths too. This is nice though. Look at this one. Y'all see that? It's a 2 tray. Yes, decoration with that one. $6, y'all. $6. Got the candles going on here. It's crazy because we just had fall. Time will go by so fast. When I tell you, it be timing. They have the rug here. They got the biotin gummies, y'all. Got a brand called Vita Globe. I usually use the garlic kind right here. I think those are garlic kinds. I don't know if they have them today. But anyway, these right here are so good. The mushroom one. Now the ones I think you should go ahead and get, guys, the one that got 2026 to 2027. Why? Because you get a whole new free year. You can go ahead and jot down your memories, your appointments, whatever the case may be. Instead of getting one that just say only still here 2026. What? I found some stuff. I bet you did. Y'all trying to get rid of these counters, ain't y'all? Where you at? Look. What's she at?
She's over there by the gifts. Mama, this is the Serena got on Pokemon.
Yeah. All these right here, y'all want to sit. I'm telling you guys. It's like decades of them. So I'm gonna get the one that got the 2-year on it for 2026, y'all, 2027. The regular ones, I ain't gonna get those.
What was it before? Logical.
In the bag, yo, y'all gonna go ahead and get all these.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead, she loves me. Two guys, let me go ahead and get it for you right there. Hold on. These right here, y'all, see these? Should be 1 cent. Those should be 1 cent too. And some most of them too, 1 cent. Hold up. I think I got one more of these. These the little desk counters. Oh yeah. They just falling down the woodworks. Those back there, y'all see those? Those are 1 cent. Those are 1 cent. Y'all look at all those counters right there. They trying to hide the good stuff to the back. Those are 1 cent. 1 cent. Yeah. And these are 1 cent too. Hold on. These counters right here, guys. 1 cent. 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. These right here, guys, 1 cent too. And these planters too, 1 cent too. I came last time they were 31 cents. Now they a penny. These right here, y'all, 1 cent. 1 cent. Budget baddies, that is a wrap for today for back to school. You know what I'm saying? Walk through at Dollar Tree for 2026, y'all. You feel about video? Please subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Comment, like, share. I'm on TikTok and Instagram under the same name. Let's link up. Let's vibe out together. You know what I'm saying? And thanks again, y'all, for watching. I'm going to upload some more hauls. Make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, get at me and just like that. But, once again, y'all, it is what it is. And I'll see you guys later. Happy shopping. You know what I'm saying? Don't shop too much. Don't spend too much. Take your time. Stay budgeting. You know what I'm saying? Stay saving your coins up. And I got some penny shopping items coming up for y'all. Some hauls. Do not want to miss that, y'all. I'm going hard, baby. And yeah, y'all. So I'll see you guys later on my next upload. All right, y'all. Peace.